Hi! In front of me is Sony Xperia 5 Mark V, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. First of all, you need to open Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Samsung voice recorder. Following that, you need to download this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Then select Allow, and while using the app in all pop-ups, hit Continue in Welcome One and click on Skip at the top right corner. Over here, you need to choose Accept and then click on this red button to start recording. So tap on while using the app, and as you can see, after that, recording is on. You can pause it or unpause it using the same red button. In order to discard it right away, pause it first, and then choose Discard on the left. Now you need to confirm your choice by choosing Delete in the pop-up. In order to add a bookmark though, you need to unpause your recording and then tap on this little icon on the left. Now you can type in wherever you wish to or not at all and tap on OK. Finally, to end and save your recording, click on this check mark on the right. Now select Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. In order to rename it, click on those three dots next to it. Select Rename option. Sorry, misclick. And type in wherever you wish to. To save your new name, click on OK. In order to delete it though, you need to hold it and click on bin icon at the top right corner, or select the same three dots and pick Delete option at the bottom. Either way, when you're ready, hit Delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!